There are two topics right now what we are going to discuss. The first one is website building with the help of WordPress. The second topic is building websites with the help of website builders. These are the two topics what I'm going to cover right now. How to design the websites with the help of WordPress. What do you mean by WordPress? WordPress is a content management system called CMS, content management system. There are many such type of content management systems available. There are Drupal, the other one is Joomla. If you are going with any forums, you can go with SMF, Simple Mission Forums, or other one is OpenCart for if you want to start any e-commerce related websites. If you want to start any e-commerce related websites, if you don't know how to code it, you can use OpenCart directly, like Jabong, or Jabong is custom based code. But if you want to start such type of similar websites to start selling your products online, much of the code is already written with the help of OpenCart. You can use it in your website. OpenCart, it's completely open source, free platform. You can use as CMS. The other one is WordPress. Even if you don't know how to code a single line of program, still you can develop websites with the help of WordPress. You don't require a single line of program, HTML or PHP. It doesn't require for you. With simple clicks and simple stuff, you can code and you can design your own websites. For that, purchase a professional domain in HostGator or in GoDaddy.com. Purchase a professional domain .com or .in or .info, whatever you like. You can purchase this professional domain from GoDaddy.com. It costs around 50 rupees to some thousands of rupees. Generally .com costs around 500 rupees. .com. They give, if you are bulk purchasements, they will give for 200 rupees or 150 rupees also. Even some websites are offering for 200 rupees also. Purchase a professional domain. After that, if you want to host the WordPress, you can go to WordPress.com. Here, you can host your WordPress website in this particular website, WordPress.com. If you want subdomain, your name.wordpress.com or your name.something else, you can create it for free. If you want professional domain, you have to pay for professional domain, that is .com or for .in, whatever you want. You have to pay something for professional domain. If you want a subdomain is enough for you, then you can go ahead and do it for free of cost from the website WordPress.com. WordPress.com. In this website itself, you can create your own stuff. If you want to host it in your own hosting websites, then purchase some hosting from GoDaddy.com or HostGator.com or in BigRock.in. Just purchase the professional hosting, domain plus hosting. After purchasing BigRock, you have to purchase hosting here as well as domain name. After purchasing domain name and hosting, you can install WordPress. I have installed a small WordPress in one of the subdomains of my website, news.indianservers.com. I'm going to demonstrate on this particular website, news.indianservers.com. This is one of the blog maintained by one of my team members, news.indianservers.com. I'm going to demonstrate the topic on news.indianservers.com. How to design the same website. Of course, it's not by me, it's by my team. Since I don't like movies, I'm not typing all this stuff. See here, how to create such type of websites. Here, while dealing with WordPress, as a basic user, you have to remember three things. Posts, second one is themes, and important one is plugins. These are the three things you have to remember while dealing with WordPress. If you want to work on WordPress, the basic as a new being, you have to concentrate on these three. Posts, themes and plugins. What do you mean by posts? One article is called a small post. If you're going to write about one movie or if you want to write about one technology, that one will become a post. Multiple posts some hundreds of posts, or at least one or two more posts will become a website. Posts are a type of pages in your book. The whole book is called website. Repeating, the website will be having multiple posts, right? You can create more number of posts. The combined post is called website here. In a website, I'm going to write more number of posts. For example, if I want to write about impact, I can write that writing article is called a post, P-O-S-T. I'll show you how to create such type of posts. Second one, themes. Themes means the appearance. For example, if you want red color title or red color border, or if you want green color background color, or whatever you want to choose the theme, right? Today you are wearing some other dress. Yesterday also same guy, today is also same guy. But the appearance, how you are appearing is different, right? Similarly, you can change the themes. With the help of themes, the way how you are seeing website will be changed. Don't worry, even if you are getting confused, I'll show you directly within few seconds. Plugins, we are going to deal within few minutes. Okay. Let me go to, there will be two interfaces here. One is for user interface. One is user interface. That is your general user interface. That is a normal user who has not registered that particular interface. The second one is admin interface. That is admin panel. Two views we are going to see here. Two views. Admin can create articles, or editor can create articles, he can post it. Normal user only can view the content. Normal user only can view the content. Admin can create and alter, or he can delete or post new content. Admin panel. Let me move to my Indian servers admin panel. news.indianservers.com/wp-admin. How many of you bought laptops? Please raise your hands. If you are having internet, just go to the website called wordpress.com. Wordpress.com. Here you can create your own website. Create the website and sign up there. After creating a small website with your subdomain wp-admin. wp-admin. If you type like this, it's going to show us some username and password. Login. Now I'm logging to admin panel. Yep. Here you are seeing different options. Different options. This is the admin panel of my website. With the help of this panel, I can post the content, or I can alter the content, or I can change the themes of my website, or I can add some of the plugins or widgets in my website. See how my website looks like. This is how my website is looking like. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to change a small theme. 2-3 clicks, I can change the appearance of my particular website. Just in 2-3 clicks. Appearance, themes. Click number 1. Let me apply some updates are available. Let me apply this particular website. Click number 2. Activate. I'm changing my theme and it's activated. Now let me refresh my website. Let us see how it looks like. Does the appearance change or not? Can you see the modifications, or can you see the appearance change? 2 clicks, my website got changed. The appearance, how it looks like. But if I open any of the content, the same content will be there. Are you getting my point? Here, appearance means, sorry? I didn't get you. Last sentence. Just I want to show you how the themes work. Okay? With the simple clicks, you can change the appearance of your website. Okay? I'll tell you how to change it within few seconds. I just want to show you what are the possibilities we can do with the help of WordPress. You don't require any professional programming skills to develop such type of websites. There are millions of websites already hosted on the WordPress. Millions of websites. Most of the webmasters don't know programming languages. This WordPress was built on PHP. You don't require PHP skills to develop WordPress because it's completely simple, very simply you can develop it without any programming language. You don't require simple HTML also. With few clicks, you can develop a website. I just want to show you the options of WordPress, then we'll go to inside of it. Okay. Let me create a small post. Let me get back the previous theme. If I want to make this theme, if I want to appear my website in this way, I'll just click activate. I'm just activating another theme. If I refresh this particular website, that particular website theme will be changed. Now it's another theme, the first theme. Let me choose the third theme. Let me activate this. I'm just changing the appearance. I'm activating the third theme, and let us see how it looks like. news.indianservers.com. I'm just refreshing it, and appearance changed. Did you notice the topmost border? There is some change. That change is purely because of the theme what I'm using. I haven't typed a single line of code. It's just based upon few options, it's getting changed. If you want to get more themes, just come to appearance after logging to your admin panel. Now, the way how to do it. Log into your admin panel of your WordPress. Come to themes, appearance, themes. Click on add new. Themes. Click on add new. Here you can see add new. It's going to display some hundreds, not hundreds, some thousands of themes for you. Within 2 or 3 hours, you can create the theme, how it looks like. This is one type of theme. It's looking very professional way, right? This is another theme. Various themes are available in WordPress server. I'm just showing you various themes. In fact, I don't like this theme. If you like this particular theme, you can choose install. How is this theme? Very normal, right? Let me install some other theme then. Shall I install this particular theme? Shall we make our website to look like this? Sample. Just let me install this particular theme. This particular theme will be downloaded to my server. I'm just installing that particular theme, updating package, and successfully installed, and installation is done. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to activate that particular theme in my website. Come to dashboard, then come to appearance, themes. Where is your new theme? Yep, here it is. Here it is. Just click on activate. Just click on activate. That particular theme will be activated in your actual website, news.indianservers.com. That theme will be activated now. Theme activated. That specific theme. You can browse this particular theme here. Okay. Now posts. If you want to write an article, come to posts, choose add new post. Choose add new post. Even if you know MS Office, MS Word, you can write your own articles here. The interface just looks like your MS Word theme. Welcome to Impact Vizag 2015. I'm just typing something, pasting here. If I want to insert images, I can insert the images. If I want to change the appearance of it, I can change the appearance of it. Whatever I want to type here, I can type here. Tags are also very important, tags, as well as categories. And while writing article, you have to remember that your article should be unique and it should have more number of searching keywords. That means If you search for Bahubali 2 review or if you search for Bahubali 2 story, Bahubali 2 has not yet released, right? Isn't it? But if you search for Bahubali 2 story, you can see my website. Yeah, you can see my website here in news.indianservers.com. Bahubali Part 2 leaked story. Search for Bahubali Part 2 leaked story. Again, you will find my website, news.indianservers.com. Write the article such that every day I am getting approximately 1500 visitors exclusively for to read the Bahubali story number 2, Bahubali second story. Even if you search for why Kattappa killed Bahubali, my Indian servers will be in the top position for that. In fact, the writers of that particular article don't know the story of Bahubali. But the article writer wrote such that he concentrated on the keywords what users are about to search. Are you getting my point? You have to attract the users. If you don't attract don't write articles on movies, because I'm not the guy who wrote that particular article. I don't like to write on movies, so I never wrote on movies. But you have to write the article to attract the users. How users are going to search? What type of terms he is going to search? You have to understand those and you have to use those terms in your article. You have to use, there is some sort of things like SEO, search engine optimization, quality backlinks, social shares, and based upon the domain authority, your page will be ranked in the top position. There are some sort of measures are available. If you follow some sort of guidelines, your page will be in the top position for some sort of keywords. I'm just typing something in the article. Welcome to Vizag 2015 and tax or impact 2015 and impact, adding the tax to here, and it's one of the articles. And guys, this is my website. The first article is about Bruce Lee audio launch. Now I'm clicking publish. Publishing is done. If I refresh my particular website, you can see that specific article in the top position. Welcome to Impact Vizag. I didn't write a single line of code. What I did, I just went to post, add new post. I coded the article and I just published it. Now you can see that particular article with some AdSense here. Some ads are also displayed here. Go to the website, wordpress.com, sign up. 3 things you have to remember. One is about theme of your blog, that is your WordPress. Second one is about the posts of your blog, posts. Third one is plugins. I'll show you what the plugins are. Are these two are okay? Posts and plugins, posts and themes. Are they okay for you? Okay. Now moving to the third one, plugins. Plugins are a type of gadgets. They are a type of helpers to your website. For example, if you want to add social share, that means if I want to add a small toolbar like social share, Facebook shares, G+ share, or if you want to add some sort of bar, a type of bar. For example, if I open this particular website, you can notice a social bar here. If you want to share my article, you can share with the help of these buttons. This is one type of plugin, one plugin. If you scroll down here, you can see Facebook comments. Here you can see Facebook comments. If I want to comment on that particular article, I can use my Facebook account to comment it. It's a plugin. If you want to add more number of features, instead of with basic default features, if you want to add more number of features, then plugins are going to play a very good role in this particular option, plugins. WordPress.com / come to your dashboard. Here you can see the option called plugins. Come here, come to plugin. This bar is social share, Facebook comments bar. Sorry? Yeah, it's visible to across the globe for all. If you want to restrict, you can restrict also. If you want to restrict for few users, you can restrict also. You can make mandatory the registration to log into this particular website to view the content. Many such type of options are available. Let me show you some of them. See here. Here we have plugins option. Now I'm coming to plugins. If I want to deactivate, let me go to my whole site plugins. Plugins. If I want to deactivate one specific plugin called Facebook comments, see here. There is an option called Facebook comments here, right? If I want to deactivate it, just click on deactivate. Now, if I refresh this page, you can't figure out this particular option called Facebook comments. Let me refresh it. Now there is no Facebook comments. It's a by default commenters. Can you see any Facebook comments option? It's not available here, right? If I enable that particular option here, Facebook comments, if I activate this particular option here, again if I refresh this, you can see Facebook comments plugin appear in my page. Yep, now I can see Facebook comments appearance. I can post comments with the help of my Facebook profile. If I want to deactivate social share bar, see here, this is a social share bar. Left side you can figure out one option, this one social share bar. This is another one. If I want to deactivate, if I don't want to appear that particular option in my website, I can disable from the plugins option. Here, dig, that option is dig. I'm just deactivating it within few seconds. If I refresh it, you can't figure out these two, dig. This, can you see tweet here, tweet, Facebook like. Let me refresh it. Let us see whether it appears or not. See, there is no social bar here now. There is no dig appeared in this particular option. Now, if I enable that again, you can see the same option. You can see the same option. Yeah, I just activated it. Now, let me refresh it. Plugins are a type of, now you can see the social bars here, like Facebook shares and all the options. Plugins are a type of, it's a type of features you can add to your websites. A type of features. Are you getting my point? Guys, are you getting my point? 3 things you have to remember. It's not available by default. If you want to add it, same like themes, there is an option called plugins add new. If you choose add new, thousands of plugins already available, not just about Facebook or not just about G+ plugin bars. Some thousands of plugins already available. You can choose from these plugins just by clicking add new. Thousands of plugins are already available. See here, Yoast SEO. If you don't know much about SEO, you can use the options from this particular option called Yoast SEO, one of the famous and one of the fantastic plugin for WordPress to make your website a user-friendly for Google type of search engines. Mice editor. By default, all these are not available in the WordPress. You have to add these plugins to your WordPress exclusively. You have to add it. If you want to add gallery, you can add from this particular website, this particular plugin called Next Gen Gallery. If you use this particular option, you can append more number of slides in your website. For example, if you search for Bahubali audio function, you will be navigated to indianservers.com. There we place some sort of slideshows of Prabhas, of Rajamouli, and about Tamanna and Anushka. All the photos are already hosted with the help of Next Gen Gallery. More number of options are available. Only 3 things you have to remember. One is posts. The second one is themes. That's for newbies. If you want to go for advanced, there are some sort of editors are already available. You can write the plugins. You can edit the existing plugins also. This is the basics of WordPress. This is the basics of WordPress. How many of you are going to develop WordPress websites from today? WordPress. What you have to do? If you want a professional domain, go to GoDaddy or HostGator or BigRock.in, purchase the professional domain and hosting, and install a WordPress. Install a WordPress from your cPanel. After that, come to the dashboard. How to come? Your website.com/wp-admin. WP-admin. Log in with the created username and password. Then choose all these options. It may be little tough for the newbies, not for the extreme users. Maybe for newbies, it may be hard. But if you keep on trying, if you keep on learning about this particular option, it's very simple. If you seriously concentrate for 1 week, if you concentrate for 1 week on this WordPress, you can develop some basic websites in max of 1 to 2 hours. For static, simple websites, you can charge approximately 4 to 5,000 rupees. For simple static websites, you can charge 4 to 5,000 rupees or 3 to 5,000 rupees. Just, you can develop the simple static websites in 1 to 2 hours in WordPress. 1 to 2 hours. Are you getting my point? You have to concentrate. You have to. Learning is different. Seeing is different. Practicing is different. Failing is different. Getting success is different. Now you are seeing and you are learning. Both the things you are doing. But you are not practicing it. If you want to do such type of practices, go to the website called WordPress.com. WordPress.com. Sign up. Just experiment all these options. Posts, themes, and plugins. These are the 3 things. Try with your subdomains. It's completely free of cost. Okay? And second way to develop a website, more simplified way to develop a website. You can go to the websites called weebly.com. Weebly.com. It's very simple to develop with the help of weebly.com. It's more simpler. It's more easy task to develop the Weebly with the help of Weebly. Go ahead and sign up. Let me sign up with Impact 2015 is a username. Some random website, Impact 2015 at indianservers.com. Say, for example, sample password, useless password 123456. A useless password, you should not try with, okay, the already email address exists, already used. Impact 2015 Vizag. Impact 2015 Vizag at indianservers.com. And I'm just creating a simple website. Within 2 or 3 minutes, you're going to learn the second technique to develop the websites with the help of, it's a type of website builders. WordPress we already done, right? Simple. More simpler than the WordPress is Weebly. It's more simpler. Go to the website weebly.com. Weebly.com, weebly.com. After going to weebly.com, sign up for free of cost. Choose a theme. How your theme or templates almost similar. Themes and templates are almost similar. Select a theme. How your website should look like. Which theme do you like here? Shall we choose this theme? Do you like this theme? Okay. Let me select this particular theme. I just selected one specific theme. If you want subdomain, it's free of cost in this particular website. Subdomain is completely free of cost here. Impact 2015 Vizag. Impact 2015 Vizag. I just type like this. If you want a professional domain, you can purchase a professional domain. It's 200 rupees to 500 rupees at .com. Depends upon the time when you're purchasing. And just, I'm going with the subdomain for free of cost. Select the domain. Choose continue. Yup. The theme is appeared. And here, you can see some sort of components here. See here. Title, text, gallery, image, slideshow, maps, contact. You can see some sort of components. It's more simpler. It's more easy task to develop the website in website builders. I just went to the website name weebly.com, weebly.com. I just signed up. Then I just set some page, set some name to my subdomain, that is impact 2015 Vizag.weebly.com. Now it's asking us to enter the title. Let me type the title. Welcome to Impact. Welcome to Impact. I just type like this. If I want to add an image, click and drag the image. Click and drag the image. Click and dragging is done. Now select the image. If you want to upload the image from your website, you can, from your computer, you can upload that particular photo from your computer. Let me select a sample website. For example, let me select the theme. I'm just uploading the poster of Impact. Yep, I just uploaded the poster of Impact. If I want to go to the next, welcome to Impact, what's the tagline? What tagline shall we add to the Impact? What shall we add as a tagline? Welcome to Impact is the main title. What shall we place in the subtitle? Sorry? Tell something. Huh? Now or never? Never. Okay. I just typed something and Impact poster. Choose publish. Choose publish. Choose continue. Enter the captcha. Enter the captcha. 591. Let me publish this website. And publishing is done. Now my website URL is impact2015.weebly.com. Impact2015.weebly.com. I can see the website name here. If you scroll down, you can see that particular option. If I want to add some more pages for any static, for normal website, you have to remember, you have to add few pages like home button, about us, contact us, products, services, products or services. If you have clients list, you can add clients list. These are the basic things for any company website, basic pages for any company website. First one is home, about us, contact us, product, services, clients list. Add. I'm going to add all these pages and I'm going to show you how to add that. Come here, click on pages, click on pages. By default, they are providing about and contact. Meeku chivarlo kanipichakapothe just let me know. I'll just show you here. Because more than 1/3 of the screen is not appearing here. So let me know if you can't see the last options here. Okay. See here, by default, they are providing 3 pages. One is home page, about and contact. Let me edit the about button. Now about page will be loaded here. Then whatever I want to do here, I can change. If I want to edit this image, let me insert some other image in about. I just change the about image. After changing, let me place let me select a simple layout for my particular website. About us. Here you can edit about us. We are from Impact 2015 and who we are. It's already mentioned. So just change the contents here. Just completely change the values. Whatever you want to write it, you can write it here. You can add hyperlinks, or if you have anything in your MS Word, you can just copy and paste all the content here. Just choose publish, choose publish. Now that about page will be published. Now let me show you that about page also. Right click, let me open new tab. Here you can see the about page also. About. This Weebly is completely responsive. While developing websites, you have to think about the responsive also, because in my website 70+% of users are from mobile platform. So you have to target mobile platform from today itself. Completely future will be on mobile. Maybe applications or responsive websites. You have to learn for creating responsive websites, you have to learn jQuery and jQuery UI. You have to learn these two things to make a responsive websites. There are many other JavaScript libraries also available to make your website a responsive website, but start targeting mobile platforms. Weebly by default, it's a responsive website. Based upon the screen size of your website, the content will be changed as per the screen size of your website. It's called responsiveness. Alternative website other than Weebly. Very good question. Which keyword you have to remember for that? Related : Weebly.com. There's a thing called Wix, W-I-X. See here. Related : Weebly.com. It's showing the other websites where you can do the website builders. But if you are completely newbie and if you want to start a new website immediately, then I suggest you to go with these website builders. If you want to make it further more, if you want to make it some interactive website, then you have to go with content management systems, CMS, like Joomla. If you want to make a strongest web applications like Facebook or Twitter or any custom-based applications, I suggest you to learn PHP or ASP.NET and develop your own websites instead of depending on CMS or some other website builders. Okay? That's something about WordPress and Weebly. How many of you understood Weebly? Raise your hands. Weebly. How many of you are going to create websites for orphanages at Visakhapatnam district? For orphans and for old age homes, just please create the websites with bank account details. With bank account details. I'm repeating, seeing is different, learning is different, practicing is different, failing is different, getting success is different. You just saw, you just seen right now, right? And you just learned something. Apply it. Surely, if you're a newbie, you'll get failures. Keep on working on the failures, you'll get success. That's the way to build the WordPress website and with the help of things. How many upcoming entrepreneurs are here? For you, I want to give you some important websites where you can get from not just crowdfunding, funding sources for your businesses. Funding sources for your businesses. The first one is central government, second one is state government, corporate ventures. I'll show you all these websites, important data, angel investors, bank loans, incubators, crowdfunding. Just write these website names. When you start your own company, these websites will help you to get funds for your companies. 5 seconds, okay, 8 seconds for every website. How many of you want to write these websites? Funding sources for your business. NABARD, NABARD.org. Second one is CGTMSC.in, Credit Guarantee Fund Trust for Micro and Small Enterprises. CGTMSE.in, this is from central government, related schemes. Third one, just go to the website commerce.nic.in/MOC, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, /indus.aspx. In this website also you can find some sort of funding sources for your businesses. Fourth one, dcmseme.gov.in. dcmsme.gov.in. Next website, msme.gov.in. msme.gov.in. If you are looking for some funds for your company, just browse these stuff from central government aids. SI sidbi.com, sidbi.com, nsic.co.in, nsic.co.in. Okay, this is from central government. From state government, you can use these from state government. If you want to know more about state government schemes, you can go to apindustries.gov.in, apindustries.gov.in. Camera completely should be focused on screen, right? Done. apindustries.gov.in, investorskarnataka.gov.in, msmedi.hubli.gov.in, msmedi.hubli.gov.in, msmedi.bangalore.gov.in, nsic.co.in, it's previous one. Next one is msmeonline.tn.gov.in. Previous one related to Karnataka, this one related to Tamil Nadu. And this is for Maharashtra, Mumbai, msmedi mumbai.gov.in, msmedi kolkata.gov.in, this is for Odisha, msmeodisha.gov.in, Ministry of. These are from state government related stuff. Corporate ventures. If you have some unique idea, innovative idea, Intel will fund you. Microsoft will fund you. Google will fund you. Very, very great companies, the topmost companies will fund for your innovative ideas. How many of you are having such type of innovative ideas? How many of you browsed Kickstarter.com yesterday? Very good. Have you browsed? Can you don't clone the products? If you can make the advanced version of those products, market is yours. Seriously. Further, if you want to get amount from Google for your innovative product, googlecapital.com. This is for upcoming entrepreneurs. googlecapital.com. Next one is IBM is also providing some grants for your programs. Search for IBM grants. If you have innovative idea, they do provide, they fund you to get that particular product into real-time market. IBM grants. GV, Google Ventures. This is Google Ventures. gv.com, Google Ventures. Similarly, venture capital group of IBM Venture Capital Group. Intel Capital. Intel is funding some crores of rupees for on small scale industry guys. If you have some innovative idea or innovative app, Intel is funding a lot. Intelcapital.com. That should be not dabba idea. It should create it. That idea should evolve such that most of the users should use that particular idea to change their lives. If you have such type of ideas, Intel will fund you. Intelcapital.com. If you have some idea, innovative idea, if that idea couldn't be helpful for most of the people, okay, with the help of that idea, if the lives of the people can be changed, if you have such type of idea, or that idea is, for example, let us take one idea. There are some millions of farmers in our country. They don't know about proper weather information. If you create a small application such that which provide the weather information in their Android mobiles, as well as if something happens to the field, that means if some problem occurs to the paddy field, they'll take the picture of that particular problem, they'll upload to the local scientists of the district, and the local scientist will receive the picture, then local scientist will advise the farmer what to do, what not to do. If you can create that particular application, You got the idea what I'm saying? There are many problems farmers are facing these days. If you create an application exclusively for farmers, such that if farmers should get weather information, farmers get tips and tricks about the farming, and if any problem occurs to the farmer in their paddy fields, they are going to take the picture and they are going to upload to the local scientist, and local scientists will address the issue of that particular farmers. If you can create that type of applications, or even if you create some sort of applications like bubble.com. Do you saw the bubble? If you take a picture of yours, did you saw cartoons in your childhood? If you take your picture, I can make cartoons with your face. Are you getting my point? It will be more, you'll be more happier when you're seeing your face instead of someone's face as some He-Man, Spider-Man. You saw this one? If you're seeing your face instead of in Spider-Man body with your face, you'll be very happy, right? So yesterday we did with Bharat. So if you create such type of innovative applications, that application you can download from Play Store. The application name is Bubble, B-O-O-B-L-E. Did you use the Share It application? Share It. If you can create such type of applications, innovative applications, then see here, one of the fantastic app, millions of downloads, approximately 10 lakh to 50 lakh downloads. 10 lakh to 50 lakh downloads. It's going to capture your face and it's going to create cartoons with your face. It looks like your cartoon. If you have such type of applications, if you can develop it, then only they are going to fund you. Just having some idea is not the case. Intelcapital.com. The next one is SamsungVentures.com. Samsung Ventures. ComcastVentures.com. 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 GMVentures.com. From GM Motors. How many mechanical engineers are here? If you have a unique design for your cars or for your motorbikes, if seriously if it can works, recently I found one guy has invented a small design. With the help of your water, that motor will work. With the help of water. If you have such type of ideas, go to GM Ventures and you can apply for those companies. They are going to fund some crores of rupees for you to make that particular product into in real market. GM Ventures. Salecapital.com. These are from corporate related websites. And last one, just write the last one. Angel Investors, one of the fantastic one, Angel Investors. You can search for Hyderabad Angel Investors, Mumbai Angel Investors, Chennai Angel Investors. You can also search for incubation centers, incubators. Right, all these incubators, approximately some 20 are there. Just make it fast. If you have mobile with you, take the snap of the website, else record the audio, not audio, I'm not going to read all the website names, I'm going to show you 3 to 5 seconds for website. Just if you want to record the website names, you can use your mobiles to record the websites. Thai.org, one of the fantastic website for upcoming startups. They are going to support you, they'll fund you, they'll guide you. Many mentors are available. Not mentals, it's mentors are available in Thai.org. Tlabs.in, second one. Third one, rangde.org, rangde.org, third one. Fourth one, seedcamp.com, seedcamp.com. If you want suggestions or if you want funds or if you want mentors, then these guys will help you a lot for upcoming entrepreneurs. nenglobal.org, National Entrepreneurship Network. nstedb.com. iiitith.org. Here, IIIT is, not Hyderabad, right? At Hyderabad, there is a thing called IIIT, They are also having very good incubation centers. Very good incubation centers. You can go to that incubation center. You can get guidelines from Hyderabad itself. IIT Hyderabad. CIIE.co. TataFirst.com. TataFirst.com. Power2sme.com. Funding sources. Power2sme.com. Here more than 1,000 students are there. If at least one of the students uses the topics, that particular student is going to change the whole world. Not whole world, at least some good number of people. Okay? Just utilize these websites and the resources what I'm providing here. Power2sme.com, FICC-CMSME.in, 10,000startups.com. It's a NASCOM initiative. They want to create some 10,000 startups in next coming few years. 10,000startups.com. If you have innovative, yesterday I told you about one guy's group, right, at Visakhapatnam. They're also one of the good startups guys. They're earning some good income. Some good income, not great income. It's okay, good income. 10,000 startups. smallb.sidbi.in. smallb.sidbi.in. startupvillage.in. startupvillage.in. iaccelerator.org. iaccelerator, it's suspended. Okay, leave about this. iaccelerator. strideshot.co. strideshot.co. rtbi.in. Rural Technology and Business Incubators from IITM. rtbi.in. villgrow.org. gsfindia.com. gsfindia.com. 500co. Thai.org, the previous one. These are the startup incubators. Those companies will help the startups and they provide you mentors. The last one for crowdfunding resources. Crowdfunding. Yesterday I told you about one, that is Kickstarter.com. Now I'm going to show you more crowdfunding sources. More crowdfunding sources. The first one is the fantastic one, Kickstarter.com. Kickstarter.com, the first one. Second one, Indiegogo, INDIEGOGO.com, Indiegogo.com. Peerbackers.com, the next crowdfunding website, peerbackers.com. WeFund.com, next one, WeFund.com. SONSUME, Sponsume.com, SPONSUME.com. Crowdfunder.com, crowdfunder.com. useed.org, useed.org. rockethub.com. Possible, pozible.com. Go, getfunding.com. Crowdfunding websites. These are some crowdfunding websites, okay? So that's the basics of how to develop a website within few minutes and some crowdfunding websites for upcoming entrepreneurs. Any questions? You can raise your questions related to my topics. Yep. Yesterday's session, it takes a lot of time, madam. For learning any online, yesterday I just told about that one. A few basic things are there. I'm not going to tell you all the techniques. I'll just share only 4 important techniques. The first one is freelancing. The first one is freelancing. For that, there are some websites like guru.com. Second one is elance.com, odesk.com. These are some sort of freelancing websites. What are your skills? Based upon your skills, you can find some projects in these websites. Like if you're an accountant, you can find some accountancy jobs. If you're good at if you're having Photoshop skills, you can find logo designing, some basic jobs related to Photoshop. If you are ASP.NET programmer, you will find some web application development programs. If you are good at HTML5, you will find plenty of HTML projects. Apply with a perfect profile. That means that profile should match with the required skills. If you say, I'm a student, I'm still learning the subject, I want to experiment on your project, please give me money, 100% I'm sure they are not going to give you the money. If you have proper profile with saying that you have HTML5 skills, I have completed these type of websites, and I can show, with your previous examples, if you can provide a particular profile to them, they are going to give you the projects along with money. Okay? Freelancing is the first one. Second one is blogging. Second one is blogging and applying AdSense. Create a great blog, attract more number of users with your unique style of articles and with proper content. It should not be copyrighted content, it should not be hacking content, it should not be porn content. Excluding those, there are some norms what you have to apply. If you can write on technology, if you can attract more number of users, add AdSense to your blog. With the help of AdSense, you will earn huge. For that, I just gave approximately 15 websites to surf. In your book, which is there with you, in that book, I just gave 15 websites. You can surf those websites like labnol.org, makeuseof.com, or lifehacker.com, or you can go to igeek.com. There's some sort of websites are there. Just see how they are performing. For example, if you take our local guys from Vijayawada, Gudivada, those guys are doing some sort of websites like jntubook.com, jntukforyou.com. Those guys are also earning 1 lakh, 1.5 lakh. There are many guys in Hyderabad, they became bloggers, they are earning very huge amounts. Very huge amounts. Let me show you one guy. After impact, not just one guy, some hundreds of guys are getting. Let me show you about one specific one. Yep. See here. alltechvilla.net. alltechvilla.net. This guy, after seeing our impact video, it seems, he said 5-figure income. Recently received the 5-figure income. You won't get from tomorrow. You won't get from day after tomorrow. But you have to do it some proper way. After doing these type of activities, within 2 or 3 months, the income will be started. You have to attract the users with your skills. The way how you are writing articles should be changed. Same impact videos, the same content, what I have delivered in previous workshops, helped many, some hundreds of students to earn money online, legally. Okay? Sorry? Snapshot of yesterday's session. How the money will come, right? Apply the stuff in Google AdSense. They are going to take your bank account. They do NEFT transfer to you. AdSense. Just go to google.com/AdSense. Google.com/AdSense. Then in payment settings, you have to add your payment settings here. Payment settings. They do wire transfer to your bank account directly. Okay? AdSense, they are going to take your bank account, they'll directly transfer you. With the name of Google AdSense, many people are cheating. So believe only the original AdSense from Google. Google.com/AdSense. Okay? That's the second way to earn money online, the blogging technique. And third one is 1 minute. Let me complete the list. Then we'll come to the third one is develop your own websites and sell your products online. Even you can use ebay.com to sell your products online or offline. You can use eBay, Jabong, if you're Amazon.in, Amazon, Snapdeal, they have Flipkart. You can sell your offline products in these websites or also. Else you can have your own website to sell your products or services through your web. This is one task. And if you know web programming languages, you can design websites to someone else too, through web design. This is another way. Yesterday one guy came, Mr. Gautam, it seems. He is one of the team members of one team at Visakhapatnam. There are many such type of teams, and in that team many guys are there. Yesterday one guy, Gautam, where are you? Yep. This guy is earning through website designing. Namaste, namaste. Okay. So there are many guys here at Visakhapatnam also who are earning through website designing. Okay, that's one task. Next one is you can write article writing. You can sell those article writings. Yesterday I gave some sort of websites. You can sell those articles, and you can rewrite the existing articles also. You can sell those articles. That's one technique. Freelancing. These are the major techniques to earn money online. Forget about data entry operations. Forget about captcha entry jobs. Forget about, there are many cheatings are there in the data entry jobs. Develop some skills, use those skills. Very important one for upcoming entrepreneurs is apps, Android application development. 4 for you. Approximately it takes 2 hours to copy the data. 5th and 6th one, how many of you bought hard disks? Please raise your hands. Yep, please share your hard disk. I'll be sitting here. If you have sticker, just stick your name on your hard disk, place there with your mobile number, name and mobile number on your hard disk, place there. Else you have to sit somewhere else with me to collect your hard disk. I'll share all the data with you. Approximately 200 GB of important resources for schools. My request to you is please collect the data and share exclusively for schools video. This particular folder, for schools folder, with all the local school students. After collecting data, just share your mobile numbers. I need at least 50 guys from Visakhapatnam district. 50 guys from Visakhapatnam district. These are all the guys who are having this particular data, who had collected this particular data. Pause the video and just record the phone numbers. Almost we covered every district of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Target to cover every village. Digital India soldiers in every village and every state and every mandal of India, not just in Andhra Pradesh or Telangana. We have to target every mandal of Telangana and just write the mobile numbers. You can collect from these guys. Visakhapatnam guys are already available here. You can collect today itself. And any last question? Collect. Yep, last question. How to make payments in websites. Do one thing. If you have PayPal account, there is a thing called PayPal API. PayPal API. PayPal API. Learn the PayPal API. You can code your own integration gateway. Else search for payment gateway. Payment gateways. But payment gateways are little costly. You have to pay a lot of money for payment gateways these days. But instead of, if you want to sell products, go with some Jabong or from Amazon, or just go ahead and sell in their products, in their websites. Because some millions of users already browsing their websites. Instead of populating your website initially, then just go ahead and sell in existing popular websites. Then you're going to have more number of clients when compared with your website alone. Okay? Bharat? Bharat? Okay, friends. I'll be here. I'll be clarifying your doubts. 3 days, I told you yesterday, if I come to any college, I'll charge minimum 50,000 to 3 lakh rupees for 2 days session. For 3 days, I'll be here for free. Okay, you can use my services for these 3 days. From the 4th day, I'll just give my friend number. You can use my friend. Please write my friend details. from day after tomorrow. Up to tomorrow evening, I'll be here. You can ask your questions related to your careers or related to upcoming website developers. You can write his mobile number. Mobile number. Internships for students on website. Do you train the students? Do you charge anything for them? Do you charge? If you charge, no, you should not announce. For free for 10 members. How much are you going to charge? 1,000 rupees. Do you train the students? You have to train the students, and it's not profit oriented, and I should not announce all the stuff. Okay, write his mobile number 7799517521. Is that guy's mobile number? And he want to tell there are some open internships at his company, and if you wish to join, you can join, it seems. Okay, thank you, friends.